Okay. So, no, let's get back to doing this one again. So this one here, negative 3 times x plus 2. Okay, the way we will do it is negative 3 times x, which is negative 3x. And then negative 3 times positive 2. Negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. I was asking, does that make sense, Alvaro? Negative 3x.
Yeah.
Take away 6. That makes sense? Even the negatives and everything like that?
Yep.
All right, good stuff. Let's do B. Negative 5x times 2x. Okay, first you do your numbers. Negative 5 times 2. Just so you guys know, I'm pretty much doing this. So you can see, yep, you're right. I just want to show you guys. You can see all we're doing is these brackets it's technically what I just did last week when I left you guys with homework, just done in a more simplified version. There. It's just doing all this stuff again and again. So obviously, if you can answer these bracket questions, then those easier questions up top should be nothing. So negative 5x times 2x. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10, and then I think you were saying x squared. X times x. And then again, same thing. You'll do negative 5x times 1. Negative 5x times 1, or well, anything times 1 is just itself. All right, what do we reckon? Is that all right?
Yep.
Yep, okay. Then maybe I'll do one more. Let's try this one where there's no numbers. What's negative y times x?
Negative y. Negative yx.
Yx. Yeah, perfect. And then negative y times positive y squared. Again, negative and a positive makes a negative. Y times y squared is y to the power of
3.
Too easy. There's a 1 there. There's a 2 there. 1 plus 2 gives you 3. All right. I'll stop for a second. I'll give you guys a chance to try it out and make sure you're okay with it. Yeah, we're going to do all 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, work them out, write it out, and then I'll just pick you guys out randomly.
Same really quickly with A. I got 10x and then 35. Do you put the plus, like, do you do 10x? Okay, yeah.
Otherwise, look what you've written. That does kind of look weird, doesn't it? 10x 35.
Yeah.
So that's good. Good question. And yes, you have to put the plus in the middle. Well, I mean, actually, yeah, you'll put the plus. But another way to think about it is 5 times positive 7 is positive 35. But yeah, that's okay. You put the plus in. Yep. Good job.
Sam,
Yep.
so with the ones that we're doing now,
Mhm.
are the answers going to be like a set answer, or is it going to be like what you've written down there, like 10x?
Yeah, they're going to be like these. These are the answers. So do you mean by, what do you mean by set answer?
Or like,
Like 5?
yeah.
Or, yeah, no. It's going to definitely be like a group of answers like this, or a pair of answers.
Okay.
They won't simplify because you can't. You can't add 10 apples with 35. 35 what? 35 what? What are you adding? 35 cars, hats, apples? It doesn't say. So you can't add unlike terms.
Yeah.
And that's why that just stays as the final answer.
Sam, I'm kind of confused on the third one down. G.
G.
Yeah.
So negative x times 2x
Yeah.
becomes what? Now, do you know it? Negative x times 2x?
Negative 2x squared.
Correct. X squared, negative, 2, 2. It's easier to break things up. And then negative x times 7.
Negative 7x. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, good work.
Sam,
Okay. Yes.
can I quickly go to the bathroom?
Yeah, of course. I'll wait for you to come back before I go through the answers. I mean, while we're waiting, let's do these 3 as extra questions. Negative 3 times 4, that would give you negative 12x. Negative 3 times negative 9, negative 3 times negative 9. The 2 negatives makes it a positive, and then 3 times 9, 27. Same here. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. A squared. Negative 3 times positive 5. Negative 3a times positive 5. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15a. Last one here. Let's try this one and then we'll mark all of them. Negative 2t times 3t. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. T and t squared. Negative 2 times positive 5 is negative 10. 2 times 5 is 10. And then t. All right. I'll mark these and then let me know if you want me to go through any or any that's confusing you. Please don't be shy. Plus 24 negative 8m squared plus 5m. All right. Which one should I go through? Thank you. Which one should I be going through? What do you guys think? Did we get them all right? Or is there one you want me to just do a bit slower?
Sim, I got them all right except the H. I just forgot to add the M on the 5.
Okay, yep, 5m. So negative and negative makes it a positive, and then 5 times m is 5m. All right, good work, Matt. Thank you for your honesty. Anybody else? Okay. Now, we're going to take it again, one level higher. So you can see it's fairly similar, but then again, your order of operations comes in. So what you're going to do is first do your brackets, and then simplify. So here we couldn't simplify because they're all different, right? But you'll see this line, you can simplify something. So let's first expand this. So 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. And we still have plus 5x. That still comes down. Plus 5x. 2x plus 6 plus 5x. Okay, equals. Can someone see that we have some like terms in this line? And what are they? What are my like terms?
2x and 5.
Exactly right. So 2x and 5x are like terms. So here, you didn't have anything that was like terms. So we didn't simplify anything here. 2x and 5x are the same, or they're the same letter. So we're going to get 7x plus 6. You can't add the 6 to this. Do not write 13x. That's wrong. Don't write that. That's it. That's your final answer. Done. All right, let's do that again. Four times y is 4y. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times y is 4y. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 7y plus 5. Okay. Somebody else? What are my like terms here?
The Y.
Tell me exactly. Don't just say the y. Tell me the numbers.
4Y and 7Y.
Okay. You're correct. Can someone see another one?
And Y, which is 1.
No.
12 and 5.
12 and 5. they're like terms as well.
Oh,
4y and 7y is 11y. 4 plus 7 is 11. So once you use this, once you've expanded, you forget about that line. You're only looking at this line here. I think that's why you said 1y, Matt. But you're only looking at this line right here. So 4 plus 7 is 11, and then 12 plus 5, 17. So 4y, 7y, 11y, 12 plus 5 is 17. Make sense, Matt?
yeah.
All right, this one. Let's try this. 5 times xy is obviously 5xy. 5 times 7, but there's a negative, so it's negative 35. 5 and 7 is 35. Minus 3xy. And just to finish it off, what's 5xy? Again, it's good to keep asking yourself, what are the like terms? The like terms would be these, this, and this, sorry. 5xy and negative 3xy. What's 5xy? Take away 3xy. 2xy, and then there's nothing else that this has. Can you see there's no other like terms for 35? So you just got to write minus 35. That just comes straight down. If it doesn't simplify, you just got to keep it in there. All right. Let's do D. Actually, I'll let you try D. Just quickly expand and simplify D. I'll give you guys about a minute just to quickly expand. 9 times P, and then 9 times negative 7. And then you've still got minus 8P minus 7. And then I'll do it as well. Okay, let's see how you guys went with this one. 9 times P, 9P, 9 times 7, 63, and then you still got 8P and 7, and then you're simplifying. Again, you know these two are the same, and you know these two will be the same. All right, 9P, take away 8P is obviously 1P. And then negative 63, take away 7 is negative 70. So negative 63, take away 7 equals negative 70. Again, you could have used a calculator, or if you know your rules, if you've got two negatives like that, you can add them. 63 plus 7 is 70, and then you just put a subtraction sign in the front. But right now we're just focusing on like adding or subtracting like terms. All right, what do you reckon? How was that? All good?
Yeah.
Good. That's yes.
I was just looking at F. How do we do that?
F. This one here, right?
Yeah.
Yep, we're coming to it. So let's do it now. 8x take away 3 bracket x take away 2. Okay, what does your order of operations say? To do the subtraction first or to do the multiplication first?
Multiplication.
Right, so when you see a question like this, you actually ignore the 8x. That just comes straight down, just like, I don't know, just like this 35 came straight down. You don't do anything to it because you can't do 8x take away 3. So you just leave the 8x, then here. What's negative 3 times x? What's negative 3 times x?
Negative 3x.
What's negative 3 times negative 2?
Positive 6.
And finish it off. What's 8x take away 3x?
5x.
Plus?
6.
Done. 8 take away 3 is 5 plus 6. Does that make sense? So the biggest, most important part of this is don't do 8x take away 3. Everybody does 8x take away 3, 5x, and then they try to do it. It doesn't work. Firstly, you're not allowed to do 8x take away 3 because they're not like terms. And secondly, you have to do your multiplication first. So same thing as G. You can't do 9p take away 3. You just leave the 9p. You expand. Negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. Negative 3 times negative p is positive 3p. And then simplify. 9 plus 3 is 12. And then minus 24. You can't do anything to that. Just leave it as it is. Does that make sense? All right, let's do H as our last one. 5m plus 4m minus 4. All right, again, leave the 5m, expand. You're getting faster expanding. You can probably see the answers a bit quicker. 4 times m, 4m, 4 times negative 4, 16. And then pretty much what's 5 plus 4? 9m, take away 16. All right. Any questions there? All right.
ബുക്കില്ല പുസ്തകമില്ല ഒന്നുമില്ല പിന്നെ എന്തിനു പഠിക്കാൻ ഇതിനാ
Sorry. Thanks, Eurasia. All right. Thanks, Matt. Okay. Question 5A. This one here. Can you see how it's just 2 brackets? So we're not going to do anything fancy. It's just going to be exactly the same thing. You're just going to expand it twice. So very straightforward. Nothing new to learn here. And expand again. So 4 times m, 4m, 4 times 3, 12. 2 times m, 2m, 2 times 1, 2. Do we get that? Adele, does that make sense? Maya? How I just
Yes, that
expanded
does.
twice. And then, Adele, do you know what you're going to do with your next line? 4m with which one? 12, 2m, or 2?
2m.
Yeah, beautiful. They're the like terms. So 4m plus 2m, 6m plus, and then 12 plus 2, and you're done. That's it. Do you guys want to try B and C, please? And then we're going to leave it there. So just do B and C, and I think we're good. Let me have a look at what's left. Yeah, easy, nothing. B and C.
Sam, for the,
Yes.
for the first one, is it 8x plus 12?
From the top of my head, I think you are correct.
Okay. Maybe.
Yep, yes.
For the second one, is it 19x plus 62?
16, 19, I think 56, 62. Yeah, I think you got it right. So what did you say? Say it again.
19x
19
plus
plus 62. Yep, I'm happy with that. And this one here, we said 5 times x is 5x plus 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times -1 is -3. Finish it off. 5, 3, 8. 15 take away